The Suzuki Ignis broken down again. It looked like it was a bit of coolant leaking, a bit of overheating. Tried jump starting, it drove probably half a mile or something, and then it just, like, now I'm just saying, and waiting for recovery. You know what, to top it all off, you guys probably remember I changed the springs on the car. The shocks are literally destroyed. They are gone, fully bottomed out, leaking massively, and I think I've pretty much destroyed the top mounts as well. So yeah, well, wish me luck. Look at this. God damn it. On the tow truck. Shit box, shit box, shit box, shit box, shit box, shit. What's happening, guys? I'm going to take the radiator off, take all the hoses off. We're going to replace the thermostat, we're going to replace the water pump, we're going to replace the radiator, as well as all the hoses and pipes, whatever there is. We're going to start the car first, because I haven't started the car since this has happened, because for some reason the battery died. So I'm not sure. I'm hoping the engine is not damaged at all, because the temperature did, I believe, hit something like, it went over 100 easy. So let's put the battery in and see if the engine works. Moment of truth. Let's see if it starts. Yes, working. So now we know that it's working, it's starting, so let's do this. Had to take more than a few bolts. I thought it would be as easy as doing it on a Honda, but it's not. It is out, and look at the condition of the radiator. It's all the pipes and hoses are out. Check this out. I had to cut this to take it off, which sucks. And I was thinking of replacing this pipe, but I don't think I would have to, because it's still in alright condition. I know this is a bit corroded, but we're going to take this off and paint it. What I was thinking was that I'm going to clean the EGR valve, and I also thought that I'm going to paint the rocker cover. While I'm at it, I might as well, so I think that's what I'm going to do next. As of now, how the car stands is I've removed the timing chain cover. I've taken the timing chain off as well. Next is probably going to be I'm going to remove the head, and once I've removed the head, I've measured, you know, the tolerances. That is something I'm going to have to show you guys in the next video, what is going on with the top end of the car and why I decided to do the head gasket, and hopefully we can make some incredible videos with this car, because so far I've loved driving this. I've put on almost 6,000 miles in roughly 3 months, 2.5, 3 months, and it has been incredible, except the fact that I just decided to do a whole bunch of stuff in one go. So yeah, hopefully when we are finished with the car, it'll not just look good, but it will also perform how it's supposed to be performing out of the factory, and maybe even better. Do let me know if there is something specific you want to see about this car or any other car I own. I mean, I've only showed you guys my S2000. Hopefully I'll do another video of one of my other cars, so you guys know that I am working on another project as well. Do like, comment and subscribe to my channel if you do like my videos, and do not forget to share them as much as you can. Thank you very much, and I will see you guys in the next video. See ya.